Good everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to look at a battery tester here. This is from Ancel. This is the BA301. Normally this type of year, with it being winter time, that's when your battery is most likely going to fail if you live in a northern climate. Unfortunately, this year has been extremely mild. And let's have a look at the tester right here. This is it, all its glory. We're going to take it outside, have a look at it. Going to have to do a voiceover because it is windy out there today. So it comes to my attention, I do have a battery in the garage. So we got a car, motorcycle. It says please check the connection. Yeah, that's right. Says it's right. Positive, positive. Negative, negative. It's right. YTZ7S. It's actually quite surprising. It has the battery in here, YTZ7SBS. Let's do the old testaroo. Good recharge. Look at that. Nice screen. That's very interesting. Probably see the waveform more if it's running. Interesting. What is the setup say language? Let's see what happens with this one. This one was a good battery. Once upon a time. It's like 5 years old. It is probably no good. It's an AGM. I don't know what it is. Flat plate or spiral. I don't know. CCA. What is this one? I think it's 800, 850. Let's go 850. Do the old testaroo. Says good recharge, even though it's been sitting around for years. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. So this is where it fails, because unless you have two people, you can't do this test. The charging test unable to perform without two people because obviously cable is too short, is what it is. So there you have, that's a pretty handy little tool. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.